Hello students, it's Shivana Amir, your computer teacher. Today we'll be learning something about types of computers and classification of digital computers. Let's have a look at them. It's the continuation of chapter 1, Fundamentals of Computer. If we talk about types of computer, on the basis of data representation, processing, input and output, computers are classified into three main types. The very first type is analog computers. Analog computers represent and process data by measuring quantities such as voltage and current to solve a problem. They work on supply of continuous signals as input and display output simultaneously. Analog computers are special purpose devices designed to perform single specific tasks. Mostly these devices are used in engineering and scientific applications. The accuracy of analog computers is low because they are faster in speed as compared to digital computers, and they are mainly consist on electrical devices such as resistors, capacitors, transistors, etc. An analog computer with voltmeter is shown in this figure. The second type is digital computer. Digital computer works with digits, as the name suggests. Everything in a digital computer is represented with binary digits, zeros and ones. It manipulates them at very high speed. If we talk about the speed of digital computer, it's higher than as compared with the analog computer. Data and instructions are fed into the digital computer through an input device in the form of zeros and ones. The computer performs calculation on data according to the instructions given in a computer program. The result of calculations are displayed on monitor. Digital computers can store and process large amounts of information at very high speed. The results produced by digital computers are reliable and accurate. Digital computers are general purpose computers used in various fields. The very third form is hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are the combination of previous two types, which were analog and digital computers. They combine the characteristics of both analog and digital computers. Hybrid computers are mainly used for scientific applications. These computers are also used in spaceships, missile systems, scientific research, hospitals, and for controlling industrial processes. A hybrid computer known as Vital Sign Monitoring Unit can be seen in this figure. It is used in hospitals to monitor patients' important data such as blood pressure, temperature, respiration, and heartbeat. Classification of digital computers. If we classify digital computers, it will be mainframe, mini computer, and microcomputer based on their sizes, speed, storage capacity, and obviously the number of users they can support. Mainframe computer, the very first and the main one is mainframe computers, which was and this they were developed in the early 1940s. A mainframe computer is a very large, very powerful and expensive computer that can support hundreds and even thousands of users at the same time. Therefore, these computers are used in large organizations. The modern mainframe computers are the foundation of today's business in banking, insurance, education, air travel, research, healthcare, government, and many other public and private organizations. These computers can execute more than trillion instructions per second. That is why it's TIPS, trillions instructions per second. TIPS. Some examples of mainframe computers are IBM's Enterprises with different series and HP Integrity Syndrome. The second classification of digital computer is mini computer. Mini computer are introduced in 1960s when IC chips were developed. A mini computer is bigger than a microcomputer but smaller than a mainframe. These computers can execute billions of instructions per second. That is why BIPs, billions of instructions per second, BIPs. Therefore, they can process more data than microcomputers. Today, mini computers with cutting-edge technology are playing an important role in business organizations for their data processing requirements. These are used in organizations that have hundreds of users such as EIA, NADRA, police departments, hospitals, etc. A mini computer is shown in the figure. Examples of mini computer are IBM System 36 and HP 3000. Now we'll be discussing microcomputers. Microcomputers are the smallest and the low-cost computers. These computers are most commonly used in homes and offices. Microcomputers were introduced in 1970s when microcomputer was developed. Actually, microprocessor was developed. That's it. It was introduced in 1970s. A microprocessor is a single chip that controls the operations of the entire computer system. Modern microcomputers have large storage capacity and they can execute millions of instructions per second. What is that? Millions of instructions. MIPS, millions of instructions per second. A variety of software is available for use in these computers. Microcomputers are available in various forms such as desktop, laptop, and tablet. Some popular companies that manufacture microcomputers are IBM, Dell, HP, Toshiba, and Acer. A microcomputer is also known as personal computer PC, and they are different series of Dell and HP. That's all from today. Thanks a lot.